Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is Notes with Mr. Jankowski. We're on page 81 of our math notebook, and we are going to dive right in. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can take a closer look at the instructions. Click on that and zoom in a little bit. And at the top, it says, write an inequality from the phrases below, then graph the solutions. So we have our first example here, first phrase, y is at most -3 or -3. And so looking at this phrase, I notice a clue word or two clue words, at most. I remember that from the previous page of notes, page 80. So I'm going to take a look at see what at most means in a inequality sentence or phrase, what I can expect from that. And it says here, at most refers to less than or equal to. So remember, these words are going to come in handy this week and next. So refer to these often. But at most refers to less than or equal to. So I'm going to go back to the page I was on, page 81. I'm going to zoom in, get that better view. All right, so y is at most -3. Well, knowing what I know now, at most refers to less than or equal to. So I'm going to put y is less than or equal to -3. And I suppose this word is also a big clue word here, right? I mean, y is at most -3. That really indicates, where this inequality lies and which direction it should face. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find -3 on the number line. There's -3. Now, y could also equal -3, so it's going to be a closed dot. So y is less than or equal to -3. I'm going to graph to the left, and I'm going to make a little arrow indicating that this line is going to go on forever because y could be any number equal to or less than -3. Keep going forever and ever. So there we go. That's our first example. Let's move down to the next one. We have 1 is less than m. All right, so again, I see that clue word is, right? But beyond that, I see less than m. Let's go back to page 80 and see what less than refers to, which inequality sign. So let's see. Well, I mean, we have fewer than, we have below, we also have less than, right? So that couldn't be any more obvious. So I'm going to go back to page 81. This is going to be less than, obviously. And let's zoom in. So this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number first, because that comes first in the phrase. So I'm going to put 1 is less than m. And because it's less than, it's not equal to, there's no line underneath this. So 1 is less than m. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find 1 on the number line. It's going to be an open circle because m is not equal to 1. It is greater than 1. 1 is less than m. But if you look at it from this side, it says m is greater than 1. So I'm going to graph to the right. M could be anything that is greater than 1. And 1 is less than that, right? 1 is less than m. And it's not equal to, so we have an open circle. All right. Well, these are the only examples we have on this page. So I'm going to zoom back out. This is page 81. We have plenty other examples in your independent practice part 1. So we'll see you in class, and good luck on all these. Refer to your notes when you need them. Make sure you take good notes. You can always use them on your quizzes and your homework, and it's good to have handy. Have a good one, everyone. See you in the next video.